बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं ज़ुबैर ख़ान हूँ और आप मेरा वीलॉग देख रहे हैं।
We won't be prepared. Absolutely not. We reject imported. Absolutely not. We won't be slaves. Absolutely not. Oh, we will turn back when Allah has given you 2 wings to fly. Why do you cry and not try? Stand up for dignity, break shackles of slavery, rise up for rising Pakistan, walk with Imran. Stand up for dignity, break shackles of slavery, rise up for rising Pakistan, walk with Imran. La ilaha illallah, 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 la ilaha illallah.